Hi, how are you? My name is Catherine and I am from Cork in the Republic of Ireland. Welcome to my grammar course, the top 10 mistakes and how to fix them forever. This course is perfect for you if you want to get straight to the most common grammar mistakes people make when they're learning English. You only need a basic level of English to do this course. So this course is for beginners right up until advanced speakers. I have actually some advanced learners who have learned a lot from this course. So this is an online pre-recorded course. So when you purchase the course, you have access to it straight away. There are over 30 short videos and 9 PDF files that you can download and look at whenever you want, as well as hundreds of quiz questions to test your knowledge. You don't have to download anything. You can look at the course and watch the course and do the questions all from your computer, your tablet, or your mobile phone. You can do the course in your own time, at your own pace. So I have 2 ways of accessing the course, just to give you some options. The first way is the do-it-yourself way, where you can do the course in your own time, at your own pace, wherever you want. And this course has no live or group classes. You can pretty much do it when and wherever you want. So it gives you a lot of flexibility. The second course has all the same content as the first, but with 2 important bonuses. The first is a private Telegram group with all the people in the course so that you can converse with them and practice what you have learned in the course. And I will also be a part of that group so I can do corrections and things like that. Telegram is very similar to WhatsApp, but it's much better for larger groups. And you can download it free from any app store. The second bonus is that I'm going to be doing 2 live Zoom classes a week from the 8th of July for 2 months. So I haven't decided exactly what time the group classes are yet, because I wanted to see where all my students are from and try and pick the best times. So most likely the Zoom classes, 45 minutes each, will be on Tuesdays and Thursdays, maybe one in the morning and one in the evening. I haven't decided that yet. But as part of the second course, you will have access to that. And that is great because you can practice live. The groups are not too big. You have plenty of time to speak and ask questions and practice the grammar and your pronunciation as well with me. Okay, let's see what you get when you register. Let's take a look. Right, well, I'm going to cover 10 important grammar topics. Now, some of them are quite large grammar topics with subtopics underneath them. So there's actually a lot of information in this course. I don't cover everything. I don't cover all English grammar. This is really targeted towards the most common mistakes made. But I can assure you that if you master these 10 grammar topics, you will be doing very well in grammar. There are over 30 bite-sized, which means short videos for you to watch. Most of the videos are less than 10 minutes, so they're really nice short lessons for you to watch. You can even watch them on your mobile phone when you're commuting to work, on the train, on the bus. So it's very practical. You will get over 300 quiz questions. Now, before every topic, there is an entry quiz, and after each topic, there is an exit quiz to test your knowledge and to see what progress you have made by watching the lessons. So it's a really good system. And you can repeat the quizzes again and again and redo them so that you can get better and understand the concepts a bit more. There are also 9 downloadable PDFs that you can look at your leisure. You can print them out, You can read them on hard copy if you like, and they're basically a summary of the lesson. Now, the videos are not translated into your language. They don't have subtitles, but they do have English captions. And you have the ability to slow down the video in case I speak too fast for you. But I think I speak pretty clearly, and there are lots of images and text on the screen as well. So it's pretty easy to understand for people who are upper beginners and above. You also have support from me. You can text me via WhatsApp or Telegram if you have problems with the platform or if you have specific questions on the course. So there's nothing left to do but to click on that button to register, and I'll see you inside the course.